Hi, welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning the English alphabet, names versus sounds. Lesson objectives. By the end of this class, learners will be able to pronounce each of the 26 English letters by their name and identify the primary sounds associated with each. Understand the difference between letter names and phonemes, sounds. Recognize common spelling pronunciation mismatches in English words. Begin developing accurate sound out and spelling strategies through practical exercises. Section 1. The English alphabet, names and sounds. English has 26 letters, but each letter can produce multiple sounds, depending on its context. Below is a breakdown of the letter name, what we say when reciting the alphabet. The primary sounds it can make, IPA. Examples for each. Letter, letter name, primary sounds, IPA. Example words. Apple. Name. Father. B. Boy. Big. C. Cat. Cereal. Cello. D. Dog. Dare. E. Pen. B. The. F. Fan. Fine. G. Go. Giant. H. Sometimes silent. Hat. Honest. I. Bit. Ice. J. Jam. Juice. K. Silent in some words. Kite. Night. Silent. L. Leaf. Love. M. Man. Mother. N. Net. Name. O. Ow. Ooh. Pot. Go. Do. P. Pen. Play. Q. Queen. Quick. R. UK. R. USA. R. Red. Run. S. Z. Sh. Sit. Was. Sugar. T. Top. Time. U. You. Cup. Rule. Unicorn. V. Van. Voice. Bludger. Win. Wonder. X. Z. Box. Exam. Xylophone. Yes. Gym. My. Z. US. Z. UK. Zoo. Zone. Note, letters are symbols, but sounds, phonemes, are the actual units of speech. A single letter can make multiple sounds, and a single sound can be made by different letters or combinations. Section 2. Letter names versus sounds. Why the confusion? Names versus phonemes. Letter name, common sound. Example. A. Apple, not apple. G, or J. Go, G. Giant, J. C, K, or S. Sell. S. E. Y. I. Yes. Gym. My. Understanding this helps avoid mispronunciation errors, especially among non-native speakers. Section 3. Tricky spelling versus sound cases. English has many words where the spelling gives no clear clue to the correct pronunciation. This is because English borrows from many languages, resulting in inconsistencies. Examples: word, spelling, IPA, actual sound. Colonel. 7 letters. Colonel. Sounds like colonel. Debt. 4 letters. Debt. The B is silent. Island. 6 letters. lend. The S is silent. Cupboard. 7 letters. Cupboard sounds like cupboard. Receipt. 7 letters. Receipt. The P is silent. Indict. 6 letters. Indict. The C is silent. Yacht. 5 letters. Yacht. Pronounced yacht. Subtle. 6 letters. Subtle. The B is silent. Relying only on spelling will often mislead you. Learn the sound pattern, not the letters. Section 4. Listening and pronunciation practice. A. Letter names. Recite and repeat. Practice saying the names of the letters in groups. Group 1. A through G. A, E, B, B, C, C, D, E, F, F, G, G. Group 2. H through N. Group 3. O through U. Group 4. V through Z. Record yourself reciting the names. Play back. Correct any errors. B. Letter sounds practice. Practice matching letter with its most common sound. Letter. Pronounce word. IPA. Practice tip. A. Apple. Apple. Don't say apple. C. Cat. Cat. Hard cur, not s. G. Giant. Giant. Soft j. K. Knee. Knee. Silent k. P. Psychology. Psychology. Silent p. W. Wrong. Wrong. Silent w. Section 5. Exercise. Spell and sound out tricky words. Listen, write, transcribe, speak. Instructions.
Listen to the word. Spell the word. Write the IPA transcription. Say it out loud using the IPA guide.
Castle.
Salmon, salmon. Choir, choir. Sword, sword. Listen, listen.
Class, tasks. Recite all 26 letter names confidently and clearly. Match at least 3 common sounds for each vowel letter. A, E, I, O, U. List 10 English words where spelling and pronunciation don't match. Use a dictionary to find the IPA for those words. Practice saying the words out loud using IPA cues. Homework. Memorize all 26 letter names and learn their main sounds. Pick 5 words a day with silent or misleading letters. Learn their IPA. Record a 1-minute audio. Introduce yourself. Spell your name aloud. Then pronounce it phonetically using IPA cues. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.